Good morning, students. Today we are going to practice NCERT exemplar questions, chapter 10, cell cycle and cell division. Question number 1. Meiosis results in. Let us see the option. Meiosis results in production of gametes. Yes, it is a correct answer because we know that meiosis occurs in meiocytes. Meiocytes are the mother cells. Mother cells, by the reduction division, are going to form gametes. Option B, reduction in the number of chromosome. Yes, this is also correct because the gametes will have half the number of the chromosome when compared to the parent cell. Option C, introduction of variation. This is also a correct answer because meiosis is seen which is showing the variation. Variation results in evolution. So all the above options are correct. So option D, all the above. Meiosis result in production of gametes, reduction in the number of chromosome, introduction of variation. So all the above are correct. Question number 2. At which stage of meiosis does the genetic constitution of gamete is finally decided? Means we know that the result of meiosis is 4 haploid cells. 4 haploid cells are formed. Now these 4 haploid cells are going to have half the number of chromosome when compared to the parent cell. So at which stage does the genetic constitution of gamete is finally decided? It is decided during the splitting of chromosome. Okay, during the splitting of chromosome. That is anaphase-I. Okay. So the correct answer is option D, anaphase-I. At which stage of meiosis does the genetic constitution of gametes is finally decided? The genetic constitution of gametes is finally decided at anaphase-I of meiosis. Now we know that during this stage the homologous chromosomes which are already undergone crossing over in prophase I are separated and pulled to the opposite pole. So here the homologous chromosomes, they get separated to the opposite pole. Homologous chromosomes get separated to the opposite pole. So as a result, what happened? Reducing the number of chromosome from diploid to haploid. Okay, so diploid number of chromosomes will be reduced to half. That is, haploid number of chromosome will move to the opposite pole. And as a result, it will establish the unique genetic makeup of each daughter cell. Is it clear, student? Question number 3. Meiosis occurs in organism during. Meiosis occur in organism during. First option, sexual reproduction. Second, vegetative reproduction. Third, both sexual and vegetative. Fourth, none of the above. So meiosis occur in organism during sexual reproduction because during the sexual reproduction there is an exchange of genetic material which results in variation. Variation leads to evolution. So this is happening in the organism when meiosis occur in sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction does not show any variation and the cells which are formed are not haploid. So vegetative reproduction is a wrong option. Question number 4. During anaphase-I of meiosis. So, what is happening during anaphase-I of meiosis? Just now, as we have seen that during anaphase-I of meiosis, the homologous pair of chromosome, they get separated. Homologous pair of chromosomes get separated during anaphase of meiosis. So that is there in option 1, homologous chromosomes separate. Question number 5. Mitosis is characterized by reduction division? No, because the chromosome number will not get reduced in mitosis. Equal division, this is the correct option, because mitosis is also called as equational division, because the number of chromosome in the parent cell and daughter cell remains the same. Equal distribution of the content will be there in mitosis. Okay, so mitosis is characterized by equal division. Question number 6. A bivalent of meiosis-I consists of. We know that bivalent is formed during zygotine. So what is a bivalent? Okay, this pair of homologous chromosome is called a bivalent. So bivalent of meiosis-I consists of 4 chromatid and 2 centromere. You see, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. 4 chromatids are there, and centromere 1, and this is centromere 2. 4 chromatid and 2 centromere is the correct option. A bivalent of meiosis-I consists of 4 chromatid and 2 centromere. Bivalent is formed during prophase 1 of meiosis under the stage zygotine. Question number 7. Cells which are not dividing are likely to be at. Cells which are not dividing are likely to be at which stage? They are likely to be at G0 stage, which is also called as quiescent stage. Though the G0 exit the G1 phase, but the cells are metabolically active. In G0 phase, the cells are metabolically active, but they do not divide, they do not proliferate. Okay, so cells which are not dividing are likely to be at G0. Or the related question asked will be, cell which exit the G1 phase undergo G0 stage. Okay. Question number 8. Which of the events listed below is not observed during mitosis? What do you not see in mitosis? Chromatin condensation. This happened during mitosis. Movement of centrioles to opposite pole. This event also happens. Appearance of chromosomes with 2 chromatids joined together at the centromere. This is also seen. Crossing over. Crossing over is not seen during mitosis. This is an important event happening during meiosis during the Pachytene stage. So option D is not seen during mitosis. Question number 9. Identify the wrong statement about meiosis. Now, number 1. Pairing of homologous chromosome. Yes, this is there. Pairing of homologous chromosome happens. 4 haploid cells are formed. This is also true, because at the end 4 haploid cells are formed. At the end of meiosis, the number of chromosomes are reduced to half. This is also a correct statement. 2 cycles of DNA replication occurs. This is a wrong statement, because in the meiosis is completed in 2 stages, that is meiosis-I and meiosis-II, but DNA replication occurs only once. It does not occur twice. So DNA replication occurs only once, that is before meiosis-I. Question number 10. Select the correct statement about G1 phase. Select the correct statement about G1 phase. Number 1. Cell is metabolically inactive. This is incorrect. Inactive is incorrect, because the cell is metabolically active. DNA in the cell does not replicate. Yes, this is a correct statement, because DNA in the cell replicates during S phase. Replicate during S phase and not the G1 phase. This is correct statement. It is not a phase of synthesis of macromolecules. Not a phase is incorrect, because we know that RNA and proteins are synthesized during G1 phase. Cells stop growing. This is also incorrect, because cell grows during the G1 phase. So the correct option is option B. DNA in the cell does not replicate is a true statement, because DNA replication is seen during S phase. Okay. So with this we have finished the practice question for chapter 10, cell cycle and cell division. Hope you find it easy. Thank you.